Let's grow Cryptardz community. It's your boys the Cryptardz, Billy, Brandon, and Ruhz. It is time to get into this week's trading lesson. Billy's going to show you how Fibonacci designed crypto.
What's up, guys? So we had another trading lesson for you guys this week. I wanted to show you guys a cool trick using the Fib Retracement Tool and how to use it as a trading range. So when using this, it's a cool and easy way to identify breaks in market structure, whether it's bullish or bearish. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Fibonacci Retracement Tool in the Tools section, right? And what we're looking for is a swing high and a swing low, right? So swing high, swing low. So we're going to start from the bottom of the swing low and stretch it up to the high, right? And I'm not sure why this, I must have saved it as a default, but you guys all know how the Fibonacci looks, right? Let's get these background colors in here.
I know about the Fibonacci sequence in life, man. I know that it goes through the plants and acorns and pine cones.
Hold on, we might have to
It's so you can
There we
pack
go.
as
All right.
much into a small
So
space.
this is how your Fibonacci tool usually looks like, right? So you want to like identify where potential retracement bottoms are. But for this example, like for here, we would probably start it somewhere around here to guesstimate where it's going to potentially bottom out at, right? So actually the best portion for this, and I put it right on top of the marker. So this would probably be the best spot for this retracement, right? Because you want the whole run, the bottom of this run, start of this run to the end of this run, right? So right now it looks like we're about to tap the 0.5 fib level. The golden pocket is the 0.618 level, right? Which is confluent with about 40K, which, you know, gives us even more telling sign that the 40K should bounce. But that's not part of our lesson. I'm just trying to show you. This is the Fibonacci Retracement Tool, and we're going to show you how to use it as a trading range, right? So you want to pick your swing low to swing high, right? So we got the swing high, we got the swing low. We're going to go into our settings here. We're going to deactivate the, was it the 0.382, the 0.618, 2618. All we want to see is these four zones right here. We want the 0, the 1, the 0.236, the 0.5, and the 0.786, right? So what this is doing is splitting up a range of 4 equal parts. We're going to turn off the background, and we're going to change these lines all black. Turn these lines all black. And I like my numbers on the right side, the labels, right? So you can go down here and you can save as range, right? So now you can, anytime you want to use this as a range, you save that as a range. You go down in there, change it to range, right? So here we're looking at it here. So we have our swing high, our swing low. And you can see it bounced down. It's, you know, we marked this off as our swing low, and look what happened to our midpoint. Our 0.5 is our midpoint, which is also confluent with our 12-hour demand order block, right? That we said in our last video update that that's the level we want to see reclaim before adding on to our position. Once we get filled here for 20 and another 30% somewhere in here, we want to get above this H12 before we start adding any more to our position. Just for confirmation's sake, you know, we want to load up here, load up a little low to get a good average low entry, and then we want to wait for confirmation above this midpoint. Below the 0.5 midline is bearish. Above it is bullish, right? Just like when we use the
A big smile just came on my face as soon as he said that.
Just like we use the order blocks
No.
to identify key levels of market structure we want to see
No,
reclaimed,
yeah,
right? We can also use the trading ranges if you're not prone to using order blocks. You can use the ranges. So right now it looks like we're below this the range low, right? So hoping to catch some fills in here. If we end up breaking down further, let's say 40K is our new low, we're going to want to get back above 49.2K before we start adding on to our positions. I'm going to switch over to another chart here. So if we're on the daily here, right, we marked off the swing high here, the swing low here. You can see at each of these levels how it reacted, right? It's it acted as resistance to the point 236, kind of found some support around the midline, lost it, bounced off the range low again, right? Low, low. Now it's acting as resistance with the 0.786. Tried to break back above, got rejected. Now it found support on the 0.786, broke above it, flipped it into support, and then we were off into the races. It flipped the 0.5 into support. So if you guys were playing this previous range, I'm gonna turn off the moving averages real quick. So we had marked off this daily order block right here as a key level of market structure that we needed to reclaim, right? And look, it was perfectly confident with the 0.5 level of this range. And look what happened. It broke back above it. It retested it that day, another day, and then we were back off to the races. So this 0.5 level of the range is a key level that you want to wait to see reclaim before adding onto your positions once you load back up into these lower zones. It's a really good indicator and tool to use to identify breaks in market structure, and really shows you the strength of where the trend's going if you can't really spot it out just by looking at it with the naked eye. Alrighty, guys. So I hope you guys put that into some good use.
Fibonacci.
Be sure to like and
Fibonacci.
subscribe.
Fibonacci cheese.
And yeah, we'll be having more updates for you guys in the coming days and next week for sure. And be sure to follow us on all social media platforms, especially TradingView. We have consistent updates every few days on where price is going. And yeah,
Check us out on all social media platforms, or I'm coming to find you.
Yeah. Let's grow Cryptardz community. Now this week we're gonna make sure that we release consistent content for you guys. So be sure to follow us, and be sure to follow the Facebook page.
Yes, get on there and like not
We
the
have
actual
all of our
page,
trading
but
lessons
what?
on there for you guys.
You have to like the page or the actual what is
we want people to start liking the Facebook page. You know, we got some
not just the group,
we have
so
a
the
lot of
page.
group members. We want to see you guys start liking that page.
Get in there.
Let's do it, guys. So let's just for you guys, $25 gift card to Amazon will be randomly drawn at the end of May. At the end of May, to one of our random Facebook followers, we'll give out a $25 Amazon gift card. It's your boys, the Cryptardz. We out.
Yeah.